87% of companies say they're implementing AI agents. 73% will fail within a year. That's not my prediction, that's the data. I've consulted with 23 companies on AI agent implementations over 18 months. I've seen spectacular successes and absolute disasters. Today, I'll explain why most AI projects fail and the 5 things successful companies do differently. Reason number 1. Companies expect AI to work like magic. It doesn't. I worked with a marketing agency wanting an AI agent to handle all client communications. They imagined it would understand context and manage relationships. What they got was an expensive chatbot that scheduled meetings at 3 a.m. and delivered the same template response for every inquiry. The problem? They skipped defining exactly what handling client communications meant. Successful implementations start with boring, specific tasks. Instead of vague statements, successful companies say, send confirmations, reschedule meetings, and escalate to humans during project change inquiries. If you can't explain a task to a new intern in under 2 minutes, AI probably can't do it reliably either. Reason 2. Garbage in, garbage out. Your data is messier than you think. I watched a logistics company spend 6 months implementing an AI agent for inventory. It was supposed to predict stock needs and automate reordering. On day 1, it ordered 50,000 units of a discontinued product. Why? Their database had duplicate entries and outdated information. Successful companies spend 60–70% of their AI time cleaning data. The boring stuff. Companies that fail pick AI models while ignoring the data. If new employees can't find your data easily, neither can AI agents. Clean your data first, implement AI second. Reason 3. Your AI agent needs to connect with 12 systems, half from 2003. I consulted with a retail company wanting an AI agent for returns. Simple, right? The AI needed access to inventory, payment, and customer databases, each with different formats. After 4 months, the AI could check return eligibility but couldn't process returns due to security issues. Successful implementations start small. Instead of connecting everything at once, they begin with 1 or 2 systems, proving value before expansion. They treat AI like building with Lego blocks. 1 piece at a time, testing as they go. Reason 4. Employees hate it and sabotage it without telling you. This is the dirty secret of AI implementation. I've seen technically perfect AI agents fail because employees refuse to use them. At a consulting firm, the AI helped write proposals. Employees kept writing proposals the old way. Why? They feared replacement, and management ignored that fear. Successful implementations involve employees from day 1. Not just training, but asking what they need help with and designing solutions around their pain points. One firm saw employee adoption rise from 23% to 94% in 3 months with weekly feedback sessions. So, what do successful implementations look like? 5 common factors stand out. First, they start stupidly small. One company began with an AI agent that only scheduled conference rooms. Once that worked, they expanded to scheduling meetings. Each step built confidence and data. Second, they measure everything obsessively. Not just if the AI works, but how much time it's saving, errors made, and user experiences. Third, they plan for failure gracefully. Successful agents have clear escalation paths and fallback procedures. When they don't know something, they transfer to a human. Fourth, they invest heavily in change management, treating AI implementation like any major process change. Fifth, they resist feature creep. Once the AI works for one task, they perfect that function before moving on. Here's the truth about timelines. If someone promises AI agents will transform your business in 30 days, run. Successful implementations take 6-18 months from start to meaningful impact. This includes 2-4 months just for data preparation and system integration. Companies following this methodical approach see real results. Average time savings of 2-4 hours per employee weekly, error reduction of 60-80%, and improved employee satisfaction. The companies succeeding with AI agents aren't those with the fanciest technology. They're the ones who know AI implementation is 20% about technology and 80% about change management. Are you planning an AI agent implementation? What's your biggest concern? Drop a comment. I read them all and often turn them into future videos. Subscribe for more realistic takes on AI in business, cutting through the hype to focus on what actually works.